We here now, guys, in Sempani Homes. Here is brand new house here. We just look at what's look like here inside. That is the office. Here is the office here. Ah, at the and what's that there, RJ? We here now, guys, in Sempani Homes. Here is brand new house here. We just look at what's look like here inside. Open, RJ, or close? Ah no, I cannot go inside. Here, guys, here now, guys. Not know if we can go inside because it's closed here. But let's see. We go in the basement. This basement. Oh, look at this dark here.
Can't get out.
So many doors. Look at that.
Can't get out. I closed the door. We're out.
We trap here.
It's a small basement.
Look at this. This Pinay's basement. Is that stucco?
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. This is the playground,
I didn't
RJ.
bring my camera.
See? So dark, you cannot see, RJ. At this here.
I think we went in this already. Looks familiar, is it?
So dark here.
OJ's room.
A lot of room here in basement. Here's RJ. You cannot see RJ. Okay, we go here in the main floor here. Cannot see in the basement, guys. We go here. So dark. Ta-da! Here is the front door. That is the office. Here is the office here. Ah, at the and what's that there, RJ? Ooh, here's the bathroom, RJ. Look at that bathroom. And here's the room. Look at that view. Let's you close it. Nice, RJ. And here is other room. And what's in here? Closet is here. And here was this. Natel. And here is. This is separate split bedroom. Wow, look at this master bedroom here. It's so big. Look at this. Here is the bathroom. Here is the bathtub. And wow, look at this, the shower here. Shower. Oh, all ties on. Nice on all ties like that.
Like that?
I like that. See? See the style of the towels. So high. And here's the big closet here. The giant closet. Look at that. Cannot find you. Oh my goodness. There you go. Here's RJ. Ah. Look at the ceilings. Nice white color. Here is the living room. Watching TV there is a fireplace. Here is the kitchen here. Oh, here's the pantry. That pantry is so big. There is.
What's over there?
Wow, so big. What's in here? Look like washing dry room here,
I
Hannah?
already saw this, that. I already saw this.
Oh, I have
Washing.
that. Wash and dry. Look at that mud room.
And here's the mud room. Hurrah! Wow, nice like that, honey. Nice. RJ.
We don't have this way. We can't go out the way we came in.
Okay, we go now.
No, I have to go out that way.
What way?
No, we're not going in basement.
No, the basement's locked. I can't get through.
Yeah.
That's, no, it isn't.
There is the garage, guys. The garage. And there's the neighbor. See that have a decoration now for Halloween there, the neighbor. And there is a big garage. How many? 1, 2. Look like 4-car garage. Wow, so big, huh? Guys. Okay guys, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, my tour of the new construction here in Utah, guys. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Bye bye. And here is the front neighbor. And there is nice. And
Yep. Well, it's the outside. The outside part.
Mind if I jump out here into the
Don't jump on there, please.
There.
It just shows
Oh,
the limit. The
there
outside.
is.
Look, well, it's the outside.
Yep. Cannot see
Yep. Reflection.
reflection. Okay guys, that's it. Bye bye for now.